Hello everyone, my name is Shivakrishnan and I upload videos related to data analytics and its tools such as Excel, Power BI, and I also upload videos related to AI. So in case you are new to my channel, I would like to extend a warm welcome. तो नए व्यूवर्स को warm welcome है इस चैनल पे.
Okay, so in today's video, we'll be learning this DAX query called in. Okay, so the in operator in DAX test whether a scalar value matches any value in a list or single column table. It functions as a cleaner shorthand alternative to chaining multiple or conditions. See, this is the theoretical definition. Okay, this is the theoretical definition of this DAX query. Now I'll explain this in simple words. Okay, let's say that you have a e-commerce sales data set. Okay, and in that you have various categories of items. You have electronics. Okay, and in electronics you have items such as laptops, mobile phone, printer, etc. Okay, so the VP or your reporting manager is asking for sales data for two categories, laptops and mobiles. He says that in Power BI report, I do not want to apply slicer, I do not want to apply filter, I simply want to see the data right away. Okay, for this specific, these two specific things. So that's where in DAX query will be handy. Okay, so I'll click on new measure and I'll just show this to you. And in the meanwhile, I will also walk you through the data set so that you have an idea of what we are looking at. Okay, the transaction ID, date, region, category, units sold, units price, sales amount. Okay, and then we'll come back to Power BI report. New measure. So we want region wise sales, right? North and south sales. And also realize one thing, guys, that Power BI DAX queries are very case specific. Keep that in mind, and it's not easy. Okay. Now I'm trying to show this in a very flawless manner, but in reality, it's not like that. I've gone through some trial and error, right? And I can tell you right away that if I'm being presented with some other ad hoc work, right, I'll be going through again some kind of challenges wherein I'll be stuck, but then I'll find a way out. ठीक है, I'll find a way out कि ठीक है सीखना है सीखेंगे, right? You experiment, you'll fail, and then you'll learn, and then you carry forward. Cool, right? So here DAX query I've written calculate. Within that we have done sum sales amount. Okay, sum of the entire sales amount, and then region, because that's where the column is. Okay, first it is doing the expression of what sales, sorry, sum. When it says expression means what do you want to accomplish in that, what do you want to do within that calculate. First it is asking you to do what do you want to do. I want to do sum of what, the entire column of sales amount. Okay, and then region, now we are applying filter. Okay, region in, not is equals to in, you'll write in, and then you'll open the curly bracket. Within that you'll write inverted commas, write north, close inverted commas, and then comma, inverted comma again, south. Okay, now close the curly bracket, be careful about that. Okay, and then close the bracket for calculate. Cool. If something is fishy, right, it will give you some kind of error. If I do like this, it shows red, and that should give an indication that something is not going right, something is not going right. Okay, so now this has been resolved. Okay, I hit enter, and then I'll show this data to you. And we have card here, and place this DAX query right over here. See, 23,000. So well, let's cross check this, because this is actually done the round. It has rounded up the nearest value. If I want to go the exact, okay, now go to general data format, and I'll click on whole number, and then it will also ask for 1000 separator, right? um, let's say 1 2 decimals, or let's say 3 decimals, 23,379, right? Now let's go to our data set, okay, and I will apply filter, select two regions, east, west, no, north and south, and click on sales amount, 23,379, right? That's the data that you see. Correct? Cool. So that's it for today's video, and I'll be exploring more DAX queries, right? Because remember, guys, even with the help of AI, remember that this is not just kind of copy and then you apply. No, it depends on exact requirement that the business would need, and how you know, feed that to AI. Then AI will guide you. Correct? At the end of the day, it simply cannot be automated, right? Now, here I wrote this specifically. Next time, for other scenario, another DAX will be used. And again, it's going to be very dynamic. All right. So that simply cannot be automated by writing a macro, by creating a macro. Okay, in Excel. All right. Cool. So I'll meet you in the next video. Do subscribe to this channel, wherein you'll be getting incredible value which you will not find elsewhere. Okay. It's going to be very, very difficult to be found in even in paid courses. I can guarantee that. Okay. Cool. Thank you so much, and I'll meet you in the next video. Take care, and bye bye.